Hello, in this Dart programming video, I am going to show you the continue statement in relation to loops. If you haven't watched the video on the break statement, I highly recommend that you do that. Once you've done that and you're back, the continue statement is similar to the break statement, but the break statement, if we run this, when I equals 3, it breaks out of the loop. So the loop stops running, but it continues with the rest of the code. The continue statement just skips this particular pass of the loop. So if I change this to continue and I run it, we get 014 before break 1625. As you can see, it didn't print out the square of 3, which would be 9. So it does 012 when it's 3, is equal to 3 now, so it prints out before break as we got here. Then it continues, so this is a redundant code as you can see right here. Continue, just say skip the rest of the code, whatever is there, but just go to the next pass, and the next pass adds 1 to it. So now I is 4, this condition is no longer true, no longer will be true, so it just does 4 times 4, which is 16. Then it adds 1 to it again. Then it does 5 times 5, which is 25. Adds 1 to it, which is 6. This I condition is no longer valid, so it ends the loop and it prints this out. So that's the difference between the continue and the break statement. Really useful, but really simple to actually implement. And if you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.